Hi and welcome to Nina's Kitchen. Today we're making some super delicious spicy garlic and honey roast potatoes. They're crispy on the outside and the sauce is so good you're gonna be making these on repeat. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and let's get straight into it. Take some potatoes and peel them. Next you're gonna dice them into small pieces like so. Boil them for 5 minutes. Then transfer them into an oiled baking sheet. Heat them with some oil, salt and black pepper, and then into the oven they go at 180 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden and crispy. Next you're gonna crush some garlic cloves, then peel them. This is literally the easiest way to do it. Dice an onion into small pieces, as well as a bunch of cilantro and some red chilli. Transfer the garlic and chili into a bowl and heat them with some hot oil. Once sizzling, add in the onions, cilantro, a teaspoon of oregano, salt and black pepper. Mix to combine. Then add in a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of extra dark soy sauce. Mix again thoroughly. Once the potatoes are ready and crispy, add them into the sauce and combine, ensuring each potato is fully coated. Transfer onto a plate and serve with your favorite side dish. I'd serve this with either chicken or some veggies. It's so good. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe for more awesome recipes and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.